Measurement. Today we will read about the measurement. First of all, you should understand about what is measurement. Okay. Measurement is the process of comparison of unknown physical quantity with known standard quantity. Okay. First of all, we are going to define the measurement. You write also measurement is the process of comparison of unknown quantity with known standard quantity, just like in our daily life, we have to do different kinds of daily activities. Okay? While doing that activities, we have to measure the different kinds of things. While buying and selling, while preparation of the medicine, while preparing the medicine, preparing the food. After that, in the seeing, while performing the scientific experiment in the laboratory. So measurement is the most important in our daily life. The measurement after that, which substance can be measured? The substance can be classified into two groups. Classified into two groups. The one substance can be measured and other cannot be measured. Okay. The substance which can be measured directly or indirectly are called the physical quantities. We are going to define there are two types of things. Physical quantity and non-physical quantities. Okay? So which substances are called physical quantities? Those substances which can be measured directly or indirectly are called the physical quantity. Just like mass, length, time, volume, speed, etc. are measured directly or indirectly. So these types of quantities are called physical quantity. And some things are not measured, just like our fear cannot be measured, our anger, our happiness cannot be measured. So these types of substances are called non-physical quantities. Okay. Now you can define physical quantities are also those substances which are measured directly or indirectly are called physical quantities. As for example, length, mass, time, volume, speed, etc. Okay? Non-physical quantity cannot be measured. Non-physical quantity cannot be measured. As for example, fear, anger, happiness, etc. are called non-physical quantity. Again, the physical quantities are classified. Again, the physical quantities are classified into the two groups. Fundamental quantities, derived quantities. Okay. So which quantities are called the fundamental quantities? Okay. Some substances are measured independently, just like the measurement of that substance don't depend on the other things. Okay. So that types of quantities are called the fundamental quantities. We can define the fundamental quantities in this way. That is, those quantities which are independent of each other are called the fundamental quantities. Which are independent of each other are called fundamental quantities. And the fundamental quantities are just like the example we can give. There are 7 fundamental quantities, and that fundamental quantities are length, mass, time, temperature, after that electric current, luminous, intensity, amount of substance. These types of quantities are called fundamental quantities because these things are independent of each other, cannot be expressed in the term of other units. In this way, again we can define the derived quantities, those physical quantities which are dependent on fundamental quantities are called the derived quantities. इसको physical quantity जुन जसलाई डिराइभ गर्न फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी माथि डिपेन्ड छ त्यस्तोलाई भनिन्छ derived quantity. Now understand the derived quantity. Derived quantity can be defined as those physical quantities which are dependent on other fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. We can give the example of derived quantity as speed, okay, volume, area, etc. There are many derived quantities. How can we tell a speed is the derived quantity? A speed is derived quantity we can express in the following way. Just like we can get a speed is the distance covered by the body per meter. So we can write a speed is equal to distance covered by time taken. Unit of distance is equal to meter and time is equal to second. So we can write here the unit of speed is meter per second, or we can write in this way also meter per second. In this way, we can express the derived unit of the area. As for example, area is called derived unit. Give result. We know that area is equal to L into B. The unit of both are the length. Unit of length is equal to meter into meter, and unit of area is equal to meter square. Okay. In this way, we can take the unit and the area is also called the derived quantity. Again, you see the physical quantity equal to value into unit, numerical value into unit. Just like we write the 5 kg sugar, 5 numerical value and kg the unit. 5 is the numerical value and kg is the unit. In this we get the measurement of the 5 kg of the sugar. What is unit? We can tell here what is kg. Kg is the unit of the mass. Kg is the unit of mass. So how do you define the unit? How is defined? The unit can be defined as the reference standard with which we carry out the measurement of any physical quantities of same kind. Okay? Any physical quantity of the same kind. We have to measure 10 kg. As for example, we have to buy a vegetable. We buy 10 kg vegetables. 5 meter cloths. Okay. Here 10 is called numerical value and kg is equal to unit. In the same way, 5 is the cloth, 5 is the numerical value, and meter is a unit. In this way, by using the unit, we can measure we can get the measurement of any physical quantity. After that, kinds of unit. There are 2 types of unit. Okay. there are two types of unit. One is fundamental unit, other is derived unit. Two types of units. One is the fundamental unit, other is the derived unit. Fundamental unit we can define the fundamental unit. Fundamental unit can be defined in the different ways. Just like unit which is used to express the fundamental quantity is called the fundamental unit. We can define in another way the unit which are independent of each other are called fundamental unit. Just like the unit which is used to measure the fundamental quantity, like there are 7 fundamental quantities we have studied, and to measure the 7 fundamental quantity units are used. The different ways. Here, units of fundamental quantities just like length is the fundamental quantity. Unit of length is meter and symbol is m. In the same way, mass, kilogram, symbol is used kg, time, second, used yes, temperature, Kelvin, used K. After that, electric current, ampere, A, amount of substance, mole, units intensity, Cp. This way we can write the fundamental units of the fundamental quantity. In the same way, we can write the derived unit, define and write the derived unit. Derived unit The unit which are obtained, the unit which is obtained by the combination of two or more fundamental mental units is called derived unit. There are many derived units. Many derived units. They depend on fundamental units. As for example, the unit of volume, force, pressure, velocity, etc. are called derived quantities, and the units used to measure the volume, unit of volume is meter cube. Unit of force is Newton, which depends on fundamental mental unit of kg. After that, meter and second. Unit of velocity. Unit of velocity depends on fundamental unit of length and time. Okay. System of measurement. Okay. In the previous days, people were used their body parts to measure in the measurement. But that types of measurements was not reliable and cannot give the accurate measurements. So to get the accurate measurement, different types of systems are developed. That the systems are here, just like in the CGS system, FPS system, MKS system, and SI system. The systems are developed for the measurement, which gives the accurate measurement, are the CGS system, FPS system, MKS system, and the SI system. CGS system is called the French system, because first of all, these systems are used to measure in the measurement of in the France. So, told the French system, from the name is clear. In this system, the length is measured in the centimeter, mass is measured in the gram, and time is measured in the second. After that, FPS system. FPS system is called British system. In the British system, F from the F, the F is used to measure the length, like the foot. P used to measure the mass, called the pound, and S used to measure the time, is called second. After that, MKS system. MKS system is called the metric system, and MKS system, in the MKS system, mass is measured in the kilogram, time is measured in the second, and length is measured in the meter. SI system of measurement. Just like you have already read the CGS system, FPS system, and MKS system. CGS system used in the France, FPS in the British, and MKS for the problem, solution of the problem developed from the CGS system and FPS system, MKS system used. And after that, for using this, for the solution of this problem developed from this system, SI system developed. SI system developed by the international convention on weight and measure. International Convention on Weight and Measure, held in France in 1960 AD by the scientists. These systems is used to all over the world. So whatever the problem were developed from the CGS system, FPS system, and MK system, that types of problems is solved by the adopting the SI system. SI system is also called the modified and improved form of the MKS system. In the SI system, also length is measured in the meter, time in the second, and mass in the kilogram. But 1960 AD, only 3 fundamental quantities were used. After that, Four fundamental quantities also added. That fundamental quantities are the time, the temperature, luminous intensity, amount of substance, and electric current. So that these fundamental quantities are used. By using these fundamental quantities of the meter, length, and kilogram, other fundamental quantities are also taken. Now today finish. We will do some homework. What is measurement? Write the importance of measurement. Write difference between CGS system, FPS system. Define fundamental quantity. Derive quantity with example. Define unit. How many types of units are there? Unit of area is called derived unit. Why? Now I think you will easily solve these problems.